This is the battery that I removed from Sony Bluetooth speaker. Try to remove the cover carefully because this will use again. The things I noticed that, when you look carefully the battery, you can see 5 connections coming out. If it is only 2 you will get plenty battery from the electronics shop. See, here there is a small circuit board attached with the battery. When you remove the cover, do it carefully, because should not be any damage to the board. There are 2 battery, 7.40 volt. What I am doing, I brought 2 batteries 4.7 volt, 1500 mAh. From the electronics shop we will get 3000 mAh. That means, we'll get more backup than before. Remove old battery and make soldering with new battery. Each step when you're removing battery. Take a photo or video that you can understand how is that before. The most important things is that do not change the pole, positive negative side of the battery. Carefully do the soldering. This is the final result. We changed the battery successfully. Friends, battery changing is very easy, but dismantle Sony SRS XB32, another model very difficult. You can watch dismantle video, the link from the description. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your likes very important to me, that's my inspiration. Finally we done. Is there any doubt? Please leave as a comment. Thanks for watching video.